Well, good Sunday morning to everybody. Had a little bit of sunshine this morning. There's Link. Customer had me do some work to this trailer for him. Put some side plates and some stake pockets and squared her all up and put some side angle irons on it for him. Made sure they was gusseted up for him. Turned out real nice. Squared her right up good. Really stout little trailer. Gonna get her painted up for him today. That way he can take her home. He wants to put the side racks on himself. Told me that he wanted to put them on, that way he could say that he done something to her. That's kind of cool. That way he can actually take possession of it, say it's his, he done something to it. That's usually how I feel when I buy something. It's really not mine until I do something to it. Then I get to take possession of it. No, real nice trailer. It's kind of neat. Don't have a whole bunch of tongue weight on it. That's just 2 fingers. It's a neat little setup underneath there. It'll work great for him in the woods and stuff, going over logs and rocks and everything. That way tires always stay on the ground. It'll work great for his side by side, or even behind his John Deere, or even pulling his grandchildren. This one will last him for a long time. There's Link again. What you doing, Link? Huh? You gonna come over here and get your picture taken? Yeah? Want to say hi to everybody? Yeah? Yeah, you're Dad's boy, aren't you? Yeah, that's Dad's boy. Yep. My best friend. Alright, y'all have a great day. Be safe out there, and we'll see you around. Thank you very much. Bye.